Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Nanda Salsabila, NPM 1821-22-078, and in this chance, I would like to present the material about assessment for placement. Okay, let's try to the material. Placement tests, as their name implies, have the purpose of placing students at levels of pre-existing program, and those programs with a defined structure and progression. In some contexts, they are used for grouping students based on shared characteristics like levels of proficiency, backgrounds, interests, goals, needs. For example, in a less structured program, which define classes and levels of abstraction based on whoever involved. A placement test is an invaluable benefit contributing to the student's academic success. First, it gives students a reliable, standardized measurement of their language skills. Second, as it is based on the CAFR, it is an accurate reflection of a classroom expectation. Thus, the students can effectively be placed in a productive learning environment. And last, the placement test is in essence a truncated certificate of proficiency test using the same measurement system and the same methodology. Talking about placement tests. Placement tests occur in both higher stakes and lower stakes settings. The Bachman and Palmer example is particularly helpful for two reasons. It illustrates the usefulness of specification-driven placement testing, and it provides excellent detail regarding task development. And Gottlieb 2006 provided a decision tree for the identification of placement of English language learners (ELLs) in schools, which uses multiple instruments as part of placement assessment process. In some contexts, self-assessment may be used as the primary assessment tool in placement, particularly but not exclusively with adult language learners in low-stakes contexts. And we move to the next topic. In recent years, many language programs have developed can-do statements which translate the criteria that define different levels in their programs into actions that operationalize mastery and progress from one level of a program to the next. Can-do statements may be vehicle for self-assessment, teacher assessment, or both. The students might respond to a series of can-do statements, such as the one below, which personalize a benchmark criteria associated with a specific level of class grouping in the program. For example, a benchmark criterion might state a student at this level can ask and answer simple questions and initiate and respond to a statement about a familiar topic. Can-do statements followed by an assessment conference in which teachers and students compare their answer to the can-do statement and discuss any difference that occur. It is a very useful learning opportunity for the students because it helps them to understand in real terms their relative capabilities, to improve their skills in judging their own language development, and to set realistic goals for the future. Regardless of the approach or approaches used in placing the students at the beginning of a course, an important point to consider is the use of multiple assessment tools whenever possible in placement decisions. The more information we elicit about our students, the better our position will be supporting their learning and in placing them in the right course or class. Placing each student in the most group or class within our programs help to increase their potential to derive maximum benefit. If students are continuing in the program, their achievement can also serve as a key placement indicator for their subsequent course placement. New students can take the placement test and be grouped accordingly in relation to the students already in the program. Alright, finish. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.